charts for emoji. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. And red they paint our days, fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, catch follow. Moji and we still stout. Digging like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trends we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Whoa. Perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, yeah. Running through the charts for Moji.
Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live. Today's a Power Hour Friday. We're going to be trading from now till about 10:30, 10:45. Um, as I'll just give you a quick overview of the market. Last night, if you traded Sydney, London, the shorts were definitely the play. Um, right now it bounced off of that about the 2106 levels, 2110, and you can see now it's back at my short on long on stall, short on break level. It definitely broke it. So let's see if the bulls want to continue this push back up, or is New York going to bring it down even further? Good morning, Cloud. How are you?
I am very, very good. Very good, especially after the week that we've had this week trading. And last night, I am phenomenal. I
Awesome,
am
awesome.
phenomenal. This open is
Okay.
going to be quite interesting, honestly, I feel like. It's quad wrenching. So just keep that in mind, you guys. Keep that in mind.
What exactly is that for those who don't know?
It's when we have a lot of option contracts expiring, a lot of option and future contracts expiring. I think this Friday is supposed to be a record for this year, if I'm not mistaken. Let me pull up the numbers. I saw it in my news. Hold on. Mm. Can't seem to find the number today for some reason. I had the like I saw the report come out earlier this week. But yeah, long story short, it's going to be a lot of option contracts expiring, and what that means is as they expire, a lot. Those same number of contracts are expiring. Those going to be the same number of contracts that's going to be bought for the next quarter. So we should see a lot of heavy rotation. We're not even open yet. Look how violent it's getting.
Yeah, the Dom's moving pretty good.
Hey Gabby, how you doing today?
Let me just put that here. All right, let's see. Here you can see Cloud's chart. See what he's looking at.
So like these are old. So right here, what you see in red is old levels. Let me clean up my chart. Actually, hold on. So what you see is old levels. Let's see these old levels are respected or open. If anything, like I won't be surprised if we get a nice push to the 288s or even 300.
I just want to show this real quick. Just look at how clean the Gabby's buttons slash the trade advisor entry advisor. Look at, you had a buy signal here, which was at the low, actually called the low. You had a button,
Mm-hmm.
a buy, and then it was also in between the super cheap and the grade cheap box, which was an excellent entry here. And then you had another opportunity right on top of the cheap box to where we are now.
And that also happened to be the top of the super cheap box on the auto setting as well too. And as you can see on both my charts, I have a buy button on my more aggressive chart, and my more conservative chart, I had a green button. This buy button is pretty much telling you, hey, get in now. This green button right here is telling you, hey, find a entry that is suitable for your stop loss and for your risk management, and then get in.
All right, let's see. We are a minute away. Let's get some trading music up. So just so everybody knows, we're gonna put the announcement in the discords as well. Um, Next week, we're only gonna do Monday. We're gonna do the live on Monday because next week is holiday week here in the U.S. You have probably most places we have winter break. I'm a big believer that the schools influence markets. So we have winter break coming up this week. Again, we're gonna have a power hour Monday, just to see what the market wants to do. We'll be off for the rest of the week, and then have one more trade before the new year, so we can give you all the announcements of what's coming up with the live Discord and anything else, any new announcements we have on the 30th. Okay, and we are open. Ooh, are we gonna totally break through this super expensive box? Or is it gonna find... Let's see what New York wants to do. Let's zoom in here a bit. Here, that's fine.
Mm. Yeah, it looks like I don't want to prematurely say anything just yet. I just kind of wanted to play out a little bit more, but looks like it may want to hold.
Yeah, so far it's looking that way. Again, we're only 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes into
To the
this
market,
Friday
yeah.
session, so give it another 10 or so to really give an idea. It's been one eventful market for sure this week. For sure. We had members hit 1,000 pointers. Crazy. Yep, that's right. Members hit 1,000 pointers this week.
Let's see if it wants to hold this Asia low right here. It seems like it does, but who knows? Let's give it some more time and give it some more space here.
All right, and welcome everybody to the live again. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Here, Cloud, you have a question. What's the pilot line on your chart? The red and green one?
Who's asking that?
I believe it's
That's
Michael?
CR,
No.
Mike.
Yeah.
Um,
Looked like an MA.
the pilot line. Which chart you looking at? The right or left?
The right.
I'm long. I'm testing a long here. Very light position. I know I said I wasn't gonna enter a trade for this New York session. But I'm testing a long here. Very small position. Um, that is he asking what indicator it is, or kind of what do I use it for?
I think it's more like probably what indicator is it and what do you use it for, I would say. It's like there's purple, blue, and then a red and green one.
Oh, those are our moving averages that we developed over here at TWA.
Yeah, and then if you want access to those, you gotta be at the mentorship. Those are not included in indicator packages, FYI.
Very much still in this long.
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I mean it's better to wait. I'm just testing something.
Mhm. I'm just waiting because of where we are on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for a little higher, a little more context for a little more reward. That's all.
Oh, for sure. No, for sure.
Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens. Jeez.
Okay. 50. Mm, I was premature. Hold on. Okay. 50 points.
There we go.
Mm,
Looks like we know who wants to rule the day.
me. No, the Bulls. Like I said, on the call earlier, this is kind of close to where I'm taking my first trim right here. I just took a small trim up here. All right, this trade is running. If I can get 100 points, this might be a one and done trade for me today, honestly. And it's looking like a 100 pointer already. All right. Oh man, yeah. Let's run. Let's run today, you guys. My favorite days are Fridays because they trend. I'm a big believer in that. I know we've had some Fridays that haven't given me that like that relief recently, but overall Fridays do trend. And I'm in runners here. I only have 3 micros left on the table. I took that trade originally with 10 micros, because I saw I saw something. I wanted us to hug this this Asia low. And the Asia low is right around 204. We also have a psych level at 200, and we have VWAP right here as well too. Um, and I've been scalping longs all night. I'm still in a short runner. I have three micros. Hold on, let me see that trade real quick. Actually, oh, I'm actually about to get stopped out of that trade. Actually, yeah, I have about 50 more points before I get stopped out of my other long. But like, I'm in a short from Asia session, but I was also stopping longs all night. So this long right here that I've been playing since the news has been a long that I've been wanting the whole entire night. So I'm gonna want to hold these three micros hopefully for the whole entire day. Let's see if we can get back into the New York session of yesterday, and let's see if the Bulls can bully their way today. We did have news this morning at 8:30. We do have more news again at 10. So that's kind of what I'm, playing with right now. I want to leave these three micros to run for that news at 10 o'clock. I'm happy being stopped out for a 20 point profit on the remaining runners. So that's where I am with the runners. Actually, I'm gonna take one off at 50 points. I'm gonna lock one micro in at 50 points and leave the last two at 20 points. It's very hard for me to see 100 point trade go back to break even. So I'm always going to be in profit on every stop loss that I have. Let's go, DC. DC also caught the longs as well too. I think DC's entry is pretty much the same entry that I had. Oh, DC's entry was actually a little bit better than mine by 10 points. Okay, DC. Okay, DC. This is a nice trade for the open. 100 point trade for the open on a Friday. Man, we've literally every day this week, either me or Mo has called out 100 point trades. All thanks to the indicators. All thanks to the
Yeah, they're
indicators.
pretty easy to see once you understand how to incorporate the indicators into it. Meaning you can see the setups. And I'm telling you that this 4 hour is like on another level. Okay.
All right. I mean, honestly, right now, if you're in the longs, depending on what your entry is, there's nothing for us to do here until 10 o'clock. Nothing at all for us to do. Um, just make sure you protect yourself and, let's hold on for the ride. You know, I feel like as long as your stop is below, I'm gonna say below 230, you should be good to ride this out for the whole entire day. Now, nothing is guaranteed, obviously, in the market. Nasdaq.
Yeah.
She likes to,
Somebody sneezes the wrong way, it can
yeah,
drop 200
yeah.
points. So Good risk management is the key.
Again, don't forget we have news at 10 o'clock. Protect yourself. So DC and Adam are also in the longs with me as well too. DC has a slightly better feel than me, but we should be able to ride this out for the whole entire day. Hopefully, I mean, again, like I said, above 230, you should be good. For your stops. Since I have so much conviction on this trade, I may actually move my stops down to break even or 5 points above break even. I have that much conviction. But again, I mean, we've seen crazier things like this almost 100-point drop right here. The market giveth, the market taketh. These red lines you have here are weekly levels. They are old weekly levels. As you can see here in purple, it has this previous low of day on break. That is a old level. That just shows you how far we have dropped on Nasdaq this week. This level is from almost 3 weeks ago, almost 2 3 weeks ago. Okay, coming close to my stop. If I get stopped out, I'm done for the day. I will not be on here after 10 o'clock. All right, I just got stopped out. You guys. I am logging out of Trade. That was a nice trade. Nice day today. But I will stay around a little longer though. But the same trade I took right here at VWAP, right here at the 200 level, right here at the Asia low, could be another long entry potentially. Just wait for the indicators to agree with you and take that long.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. To be honest, I like the long idea. I think this was probably a nice, hopefully a nice pullback to get into a long. If you missed the first one at open,
Yeah.
let's see. Give
Yeah,
it like
I'm
10 minutes to tell me something.
To me, it's like I'm I'm an aggressive trader. Mo is a cautious trader. Mo would keep you from blowing your accounts.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
know,
yes, that is true. If you follow my style, listen, it's not the most exciting, but you definitely won't blow accounts often.
as in for me, I'm a very aggressive trader, If I see a trade, I do not hesitate. I do not hesitate. I just take it, you know. Okay, so as we come up here on inside this 1 minute money zone right here, on top of this on top of the expensive box, watch for a bounce. Watch for a bounce. I
Is
do
it a
think
bullish or
buyers.
bearish money zone?
This is a bullish money zone,
Okay.
but we have to get back above VWAP again. But we are bullish. But VWAP right now to us is a support level right now. So let's see if we can get back above VWAP. Let's see if we can. Let's see if people can catch another long. Like I said, I'm done for the day, so I'm not trading anymore. But this could potentially be a nice potential long right here, right here. Oh yeah, hey, just look how the indicators on this chart, on my more conservative chart, gave you an entry. Let's see how many points was that entry. Right now we're at 50 points already. Already 50 points from my more conservative chart. That's 50. If you only need 50, if you only want to make 50 points with 5 micros, what that is 500 bucks, my man. Like these indicators can get you a quick 500 bucks in the morning. Then you get ready for work, go take the kids on a walk with the dogs. Get something better than this. This trade could get you 100 points as well too, but we have to get above this 240 area. Really
Hmm.
250, really 240. I'm gonna say 250. If we get above 250, this could be another 100 point long. We're approaching almost 80 points. Golly. Golly.
Man, I gotta wait. I like them, but I gotta wait. I gotta stay true to my process.
You always stay true to your trading style, you know.
Now,
Especially,
if people are asking why am I waiting, let me just show you real quick. It's because where we are presently at the 4 hour, like literally, I can if I can't wait 5 minutes, I shouldn't be trading today. But in 5 minutes, this context will change, and then I look for entry opportunities. Because right now, because it's would you buy something at its most expensive point? What's the probability of it that's gonna break this box in the next 5 minutes? Probably pretty low because it would have to extremely blow past it and then stay above it. So I'm just waiting until I get new context. So I got to sit on my hands and wait. Like, look, like I even have it. I don't know. I'm not even sure if people can see this, but I even printed out a little chart for myself. And that yellow you see over there, that's in capital letters. It says wait. Just wait. I've made more money waiting than anything else.
Patience spelled with the Y. That is patience spelled with the Y. The more patient you are, the more money you make, man. Especially in the market. Trust me. Like even though like I don't hesitate on my setup, I wait for my setup to come to me nowadays. And every time my setup comes, like every time my A plus setup comes to me, I get a quick 10, 20 points. That's why sometimes, like you'll see me, like huffing and puffing. Because it's like I get into a trade and it wasn't my A plus setup and I didn't get my quick 20 points within, like within the first 5 or 6 seconds of a trade. It sucks, it sucks.
That's exactly why I wait. It's the same reason. Because I have experienced that in these areas, I don't get my initial TP1 off the table quick enough for me to be comfortable in the trade.
And one of our members pointed out this is the third day in a row that we've had 100-point trade come in our favor and go back in our favor.
Yeah, these
Have you
swings have been ridiculous. Yeah.
have you be short, like like on average, Nasdaq on average gives you 3 good trades a day, and when I mean 3 good trades a day, that's 350 to 100-point trades a day. And this week has been one of my favorite weeks because it's been giving you 400 or 500-point trades every session. So
Yeah.
just got to be patient, man. Just got to be patient. 10 o'clock is here in 2 minutes. We have more news. News means volatility. So
Yep.
let's see what happens.
While we're waiting for the new 4 hour, I would appreciate. I'm gonna put a link in the chat. I would appreciate. It's a landing page for the indicators, and there's gonna see an icon for X, formerly Twitter. Would appreciate a follow on Twitter. I put on Twitter every day how these indicators work with stocks. So if that's something you are interested in and looking at, and figuring out how you could do it for your personal use, follow the TWA Mindset Trader Twitter channel, and you can get it. Okay, all right, here we go. We have about 5 seconds. Let's see what we want to do. Looks like the bulls are coming. We have news, right?
Yep, we have news. That's why we get the whoo. That's why we get the volatility right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, baby. I love that. Well, I don't because we're already expensive, but I love the volatility.
Yeah, I like Cloud's rule. Like, give it a minute or two to
Oh yeah. Every new
for
4 hour, treat every new 4 hour as if it's a news candle. You want to give it a good 2 to 3 minutes breather, because we're super expensive. We could continue to trend, or we could just bounce here for the next 2 minutes and just drop 100 points.
Mhm.
The market doesn't care about your predictions, man.
Not at all.
And look at that already. Already fell outside the expensive box. Back in it again.
All right, I'm jumping in here. See if I can get my TP1 fast enough. See that there.
Ooh.
The sucker up and go. All right.
Oh, you
I'm
got it,
in
you
the
got it.
long. I'm in the long. I'm trying to get risk free. See if I get it on this push
You got it.
here. Almost there. A couple ticks away. Come on.
You should have got it right there. Yup.
No, it didn't. It didn't click on my side, so not yet.
Okay.
This is torture. This is torture.
What would your TP want? 20 points or 10 points?
10. Ooh, it's coming back on me.
As long as we stay above 250, I like it. Really above this 4 hour, honestly. Okay.
All right, come on now. Come on. This is a good sign. Stay above here.
You know what we have up here? We have the 15-minute moving average. This is a moving average that we developed here at TWA. It's a little different than your normal moving average. This is what you see here in yellow, and it's flat, which tells me that we could potentially play above it, but we just have to get above it though. There's going to be some slight hesitation. Oh yeah, and it's bullish, So let's go.
Nope. This one's gonna look like it's gonna fail on me. It was a couple ticks away. Let's see. If this 5-second turns red, then I'm out.
And that's a 5-second evidence line he's talking about.
Okay, so far it's green again. Let's see if it can give me that push. Oh boy. Okay, come on. Get me that damn. Oh my god, within a tick, bro. Jesus. Come on.
That's the worst.
Come on.
So right now,
There we go.
Outside the expensive
Risk
box,
free.
auto setting. We are inside the expensive box for small setting. Let's go, Mo. Let's go. Let's see if we can get this above 300. If we get above 300, we should trend. We should trend today.
Whew.
I know that feeling.
Eval
I know
today.
that feeling, Mo. I know that feeling.
That was man. You know what? I'm gonna take it here. Take a 40-point trade. I'm on an eval, so I can only make so much.
Oh, you're on
There
top
you
of
go.
that today, right?
Yeah. So I passed one eval the other day. Now, probably Monday on this eval. Look at that. That was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade.
Mo. And what did Mo do today? He stayed patient and wait for his setup.
Sitting, it's all. Whew.
Sheesh. And don't you just love when you wait for your setup and your trade runs? It's like it's the
I
best
love
feeling
it.
in the world.
And if also on my chart, that's my game plan level, where it's long on stall, and the new 4 hour came. It couldn't go below it. Just took it, and now that, let me see. I got in here. Yeah, that's it. Is that a 100 pointer? No, that can't be a 100 points
Almost.
already.
Almost, Mo. Almost.
There we go.
Hey, today's a trend Friday, man. Today's gonna be a trend Friday. Let this sucker run.
And I just want to show my chart real quick. So you see here, even though we had a sell button, as soon as a new 4 hour came, all the context changed. I have a level here. It could not break below it. And then it just started firing up. Here's the 5 second. That's the evidence. You see on top here, the top green. That's the TPO. IVD is now turning green. So that means you can ride, you can get on this, stay on this trade for longer. Just make sure you trail accordingly. And you see down here, everything else, like everything was calling for the long. Every single thing. I did not take it here because from what I was seeing at the time, for me, it wasn't ready. The way I trade, it just wasn't ready. I just needed a little more confirmation. So I just waited for it to cycle through again, and I took it right off the 4 hour. Whew, all right, I'm done for the day. Let me lock this sucker out before I do something stupid. Manual lockout all day. Boom.
And look at that. 100 points for 100 points for Mo, 100 points for me. We're happy, man. We're happy. That is and that is how you walk off
The
on an
week.
amazing Friday. Yeah.
Yep. There it is. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Mo, you want to call it a day? You want to stay on here a little longer?
What time is it? 10. We'll end it at 10:15. Just give, because I know people like hearing our setups and stuff and what we're seeing. So we'll give it about another 15 minutes or so. So just in case anyone, I'll switch back and forth. Just in case anyone, I'm done for the day. Cloud is done for the day. We hit our target. We're done trading. If you're not, or if you can, still want to trade, right now, present time, the longs are good. Now we are in the in the expensive box. So if price can be accepted in here, what does that mean? That means if it can stay in this general area. If price stays in this general area here, then anywhere from this level up, you can look to get back into a long and see if it can run up to this 450 area. That's what I have. That's that red level up there. But hey, I took 100 points of that, and I'm good for the day. We're not going to be doing the Discord after this session, because everybody deserves a day off. So after trading today, if you're done for the day, that's great. Congratulations. If not, don't force anything. Take the lesson from today. Be patient. trade your setup. That's exactly what Cloud does every day. That's what I do every day. We do it to the best of our ability. Stay disciplined, allow your skills and the indicators to back up your skills. Remember, the indicators do not tell you to trade, they just help you to see potential opportunities. Um, Again, I have a link in the chat. Would appreciate the follow on X. That's where I show how these indicators can be used for other markets other than I'm showing stocks right now. Later on, we're going to be adding gold and other markets to it, and how the indicators can be used to see opportunities there. So it's a good, good informational spot for everything. Some of the stuff we can't put everything in Discord because it'll get too cluttered, but at least you'll have another avenue to get information. Um, yeah, I think. Also, too, yeah, and if you're a funded trader with us, um, I'm gonna, let a little cat out of the bag. If you're a funded trader with TWA, next 2025, I think Cloud will be on board with this, and everybody else will be. We want to showcase you. We want to showcase how indicators have helped you in your funded journey.
Let's do it.
So, we're gonna have 1 day a week. We're gonna have us here, so that you're not gonna be alone, because it sucks trading alone. Um, but we're gonna be here. We're gonna show off your chart, your setup, see if we can catch any good trades on that day. Because we're a community here, so we want to build up everybody in the community. And look, see, like as I'm talking, you see how it could not break out of that box, and now it's going back up, and you have approved sign here. Right here, that if you missed this long, you had another opportunity there. So, yes, Chris just funded an account. Congratulations.
Let's go, Chris.
Congratulations. Let's applause people. I'm gonna get a little cheesy here, but I don't care. Let's go. All right, yeah. So that's our plan. We got a big 2025 coming up. The first phase of it was getting this YouTube stream up and running. Big thank you to Cloud for taking this journey with us, because we know it's not easy, but I think he's absolutely killing it. His charts are absolutely amazing. Let's go back here. We're gonna have DC on the live. We're gonna show off his trade, and he's a mad scientist, so you're gonna see some great stuff from him. You're gonna see Adam. You're gonna see some of our funded traders. It's all about showcasing how you use. Yeah, you see it. It's totally exploding right now.
My levels right here.
Yep.
So like, we're one of my levels right here. Let's see if we can break a budget 350. Oh man, hey.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get to 400, then take a little breather, and then try to see if we can get to 450. That's my prediction. Let's see how true it is. But if any case, if you took this trade, you're up already. Almost 50 points or so. Probably, yeah, about maybe a little more than 50 points. So. Okay, so with that, thank you everybody. I know this is a quick Friday, but we're only going to do an hour on Fridays. So thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to do a power hour for Monday, and then we're going to be taking a break, and then one more before the New Year so we can say all the announcements. And then we're going to hit 2025 absolutely running. And we're going to grow not only TWA, but we're going to grow your profits as much as possible in 2025. Cloud, thank you so much. Anything you want to say before we head into the weekend?
No, just have a great, safe weekend. Y'all stay warm. See you guys next week. One thing. 21,500. Look for that to come. 21,500. If that gets hit, we might be giving away a free account next week.
Let's go. You heard it here. Free account 21,500. So keep that Keep that number. All right.
All right, you
21
guys.
500. Everybody, take care. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. See everyone on Monday. Bye.
Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control.